Good morning, Dean here from A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. What you're seeing here is a septic tank, which is for the log home build. Here you see me excavating for the septic tank installation. I'm going to do a pre-fit to see how much I have to dig for getting my 2% grade. So here I am digging a little further down. I'm on bedrock, so what will happen is I need to backfill with sand or compaction material anywhere from 8 to 12 inches after the tank has been set in. So what you will see is me testing it 2 or 3 times and then leveling everything off. I'm about to remove and start adding soil, and this soil here is sand, compaction sand, and which you'll see I'll do about 2 or 3 inches compact with the jumping jack, and you'll see me do this several times and actually go down to my sand pit to recover more sand to compact again. It's a long process, but it has to be done. The engineers want well compacted.
Here you see the tank is now in place, and what we are doing is putting the level on it to make sure that it is level and ready for the inspection. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe to A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain.